In this video I will be covering my main trade on crude oil right now and what is happening in the commodities market, that is gold and silver. Will I enter in any long and short position? Maybe I can. Let's see what happens, and for that let's get straight to the point. So just a quick short but dedicated video on commodities right over here. And first of all, I'm on the crude oils chart, and I hope you remember I entered in a long position on crude oil. First of all, I entered in a long position at $67.19, I remember, but I told you all that if the price of crude oil dumps all the way down till 65 or approx $65.4 level, then I will go all in. I mean basically enter with a large amount and average my entry price to this level at 65.4. and the same thing happened when the price of crude oil came all the way down till $65.4. I entered in a long position, basically added on more to my trade. So basically now my entry price was $65.4. and why I entered in a long position in crude oil, if I zoom out, you can clearly see the price is in a downtrend, a heavy downtrend. You can see continuous incessant price dump towards the downside. Then we saw a lower high right over here, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and then again and again and again. Price of crude oil is just dumping and dumping and dumping towards the downside. And obviously, as I always say, at this point of time the bears were already exhausted. See, first of all, let me tell you one thing. This purple level from $67.2 to $68.1, this whole purple zone is a very important zone for the price of crude oil. If I zoom out, you can clearly see whenever the price of crude oil came near this purple zone, it just pumped towards the upside. I would say immediately. You can see we saw a fake out and then an immediate pump. Same over here, same over here, same over here, over here, here also, this one right over here. So this is a very important purple support zone. So I knew that if the price of crude oil comes at $67.1, then I will definitely enter in a long position. But I was also worried. Why? Because the price is already tested this support a lot. So see, whenever there's the price and it always comes near a support and then bounces back, this support becomes weak, and there are high chances the next time the price can dump towards the downside as well, just to trap some retailers. Also, you can say this in another language, that to trap some high leverage long or short traders that market can trap very easily. So what exactly happened was I personally entered in a long position at $67.1, but with very small funds. And I told you all that if the price of crude oil can dump towards the downside till 65.4, then I will enter aggressively in my long position. So majority of the traders, when they saw the price of crude oil in this zone, because obviously everyone can see on charts this is an important support zone. So when the price came near this zone, I would say 99% of the people went long exactly right over here at this price with high leverage. They were sure that the price of crude oil will pump towards the upside from here, and most of their liquidation price was somewhat over here. See, retail trapping, market trapping, or anything you want to say, it is real. Whenever you see these big wicks, this incessant dump or a pump towards the upside or downside, it is because that the market traps all the retailers, it grabs their liquidity and then pumps and dumps in the opposite direction. And that's why I knew that the price of crude oil can one last time stretch towards the downside. Just one last time the bears can show their last potential that is remaining. And then I entered in a long position at $65.48. Okay, so guys, please ignore some background noise as I'm in jail right now, so I hope you can understand. And right over here you can see the price of crude oil currently is pumping a little bit towards the upside. See, the main thing that I was worried about is that I entered in a long position at $65.4 level, and basically I'm bullish on crude oil because I already told you the price is already dumping towards the downside heavily, and I entered in a lower low position when the price of crude oil exactly at this level, 5th of March, I entered in a long position on crude oil, and it was a lower low, so I was sure that the price of crude oil can pump a little bit to make a new lower high just right over here. But the main thing that I was worried about is this important resistance level. It was a very important support level, but now it has turned resistance for crude oil, and maybe the price of crude oil can get rejection from here and can continue its dump. This was the main thing I was worried about. But right now the price of crude oil has done a breakout towards the upside, and I hope it takes this level again as a support and not as a fake out, or else the price will again fall in this zone and maybe we can see a dump. Let's see what happens. I'm just holding on to this trade. Alright, so in the end I'm on the silver's chart. I hope you remember we took a entry on silver, and I entered in a short position on silver somewhat over here, and I approximately booked these profits. I remember. Do watch my video on silver as well when I took this trade, and my target was all the way down till $30.9, but I was only able to book only, I would say, 31.5 when this short trade happened. And currently right now the price of silver is in an uptrend. You can see low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and a new higher high has been made. So there are high chances silver's price can make a new higher low, and I hope you can see this yellow trend line. So there are high chances that the price of crude oil can dump a little bit and can fell all the way near till this yellow trend line. So it is kind of risky to take a trade on silver, especially when it is at a new high. I won't say a new high because there is already a resistance, but only recently the price of silver made a new all-time high, and there is no level I can trade as a resistance. So that's why I avoided taking a short position on silver. I'm waiting for the price of silver to come near a support. This yellow line can act as a very good support for the price of silver, along with this purple zone at $32.3. Let's see, it can be a risky trade as well because I expect the price of silver can dump, but let's see. Right now I'm not entering in any trades. Do follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates. Yes guys, this is it for today's video, and a quick video on commodities, crude oil and silver. Currently nothing much in gold. It is making new all-time highs, so it is not a good time to go short on gold, especially when there is no level of resistance in the past. So I can predict some levels according to Fibonacci, but it can be risky, and it is better to enter in a long position in gold when the price is dumping towards the downside and vice versa. And yeah, currently I'm in a trade in crude oil, not in silver. Follow me on my Twitter for latest trade updates. This is it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time.